Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to paste data from Notepad to Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. For example, in Notepad you have 3 columns like this, separated by a space bar. Select the necessary data and press Ctrl+C to copy. In the Excel file, select a specific location, that is, any cell. Press Ctrl+V to paste the copied data. The data is pasted into one column. If you want to split the data into columns and make changes to them, click the Data tab and select Text to Columns. In the Data Tools group, select the Delimited checkbox. Next, we will separate the columns using space and click Next. And how to split even more complex text into columns, see this detailed video. In the last window, don't change anything and click Finish. That's how it works. And in order not to divide the text into columns, there is a little trick. Columns in Notepad should be separated using the Tab button. It's done this way. And this time when copying, Excel insert data into different columns, which will simplify our work. If the first method doesn't suit you, we will use the Data Import method. Select the Data tab on the ribbon, find the Get Data button from File and click from Text. In the window that opens, find the required Notepad file, then click Open. If the data is separated by the Tab button, Excel immediately sees this and divides the data into columns. Click Load to, and in the open window, select Import to an existing worksheet or create a new one here. The data has been added. But if the columns are not separated by Tab button or spacebar, some data may end up in the same column. But there are several options here too. Click Transform Data, the Power Query window opened, which we use to compare the data. Since we need to separate the second and third columns, first select the second column in the Power Query. Click Split Column. In the drop-down list, we see several ways by which you can divide the column. But it is logical for us to choose the split by the number of characters. We have 2 numeric characters on the left, enter 2, and check the box as far left as possible. Click OK and our column is divided. Now click Close and Load to. Select Import Data to the existing worksheet, select any cell and click OK. And that's what we got. Now we know a little more, thanks for watching.